How to make a t-shirt with KidSuper, episode 4, Mexico 2000. For those of you who don't know, Mexico 2000 is a restaurant across the street from the store. It's one of our go-to spots. There was a moment in time where I think we'd go 4 to 5 times a week. Maybe because we love the food, or maybe because we were in love with the waitresses. Honey, Mari, I miss you. The spot is iconic. Lolo had a birthday there. Me and Danny won American Idol there. It's so good that Russ even mentioned it in a song.
Mexico 2000, right across the street. Get so fly, same shirt, it's a piece. Used to be.
I always wanted to do a collaboration with Mexico 2000, and now seemed like the most important time. How can I give back to a spot that's brought me so much joy? So the idea was to make a t-shirt that was only available on their Seamless, to drive sales and to promote their now only delivery service. So the first thing I did was just walk across the street and go see the different logos on the restaurant. I knew if I took pictures of the amazing logos and signage, I could make an amazing tee design. About 5 years ago, Mexico 2000 expanded from the deli to a whole restaurant next door. So I went to take some logo pictures of both of the places and speak to Sergio, the manager, to talk about the collab. No delivery, no delivery.
So far, it's been slow, but it's because also a lot of people they don't know that we're open now.
Right.
So they still think that we're closed. Maybe 2 weeks, 1 week.
No, when we do the t-shirt, everybody will know.
Thank you.
No, we release it on Tuesday.
Tuesday, okay.
I'm gonna make it all. You get all the profit. Now to design the t-shirt. I took all the photos from Mexico 2000's logos and just dragged them into Photoshop so we can play around. You can see that just from menus and signage, there's a ton of logos to play with. So now I'm just cropping and cutting them out one by one and thresholding them. Using the perspective tool, you can make anything that looks like it's at an angle, change the angle. So here I made it straight. Now you can see I just wash, rinse, and repeat. I'm just thresholding all of these different pictures and signage and taking my favorite logos. I love shirts with a ton of logos on them. I thought Pancho Villa would be the centerpiece of this t-shirt. It's iconic, authentic Mexican cuisine. The deli grocery with the little fade on the logo is incredible. With this, I'm just cutting out all the dark ends so when it thresholds correctly. Yeah, and now we're just playing with them. We have about 100 logos. There's a t-shirt somewhere within here. Now to add the KidSuper touch, just put a mask on Pancho Villa. You see that I actually draw in the eyes, which is cool. While talking to Sergio, he mentioned that it was their 20-year anniversary, which by the name Mexico 2000 I should have known, but I was excited. Wow, 20-year anniversary tee? Mexico 2000's 20-year anniversary!
They started in 2000!
Now we just mess around with placement. It's the 20-year anniversary, it's Cinco de Mayo, we have 100 logos. This might be the best t-shirt ever. Now we just gotta finish it and bring it across the street to Sergio and put it on Seamless. I came with the t-shirt. What size are you?
I think I'm super large.
XL?
XL. Double, triple maybe. El niño super perfecto, México 2000. Puta madre, qué chingón, man. Bien. Parece el zorro ahí, el Pancho Villa.
Yes. Well, I'm calling this section KidSuper.
Profesional, guapo, ¿eh?
Yeah.
Eres muy profesional.
Claro que
¡Viva
sí.
México, cabrones!
Hey, adios.
Papa, thank you so much.
I'm gonna go order some shirts for the and tacos.
Okay, vamos.
Alright. So I just added it onto Seamless. I didn't know how it was gonna go. Went home to order some tacos, and it was crazy to see the feedback. Tons of people were getting shirts. The best videos were the people posting their tacos and their shirts. Later that day, I went back to see Sergio and see how the t-shirts were selling.
In 20 minutes, we got it with solar. Thank you very much. Again.
No, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, maybe we do it again.
Okay, thank you.
So in 20 minutes it was gone.
Yeah, everybody liked it. I think it's good also for us to wear that here.
Yeah, you need them for the uniform.
Oh yeah, that would be nice. You know, with the bar now, that t-shirt would be excellent.
Wow. Wow. Okay, Sergio.
Gracias, man.
Gracias para todo.
Gracias.
Well, it doesn't get much better than that. We raised about $1,500 for Mexico 2000. Shirts sold out in 20 minutes. And probably the best thing is Seamless heard about it and they want to expand on this idea. So if you're a restaurant or a company that wants to collab, let's do it. Episode 4 over. Mexico 2000.
Movie, viral, bow.